You know those fancy seasonal lip balms you see at boutiques? Well, these are cozy, cheerful, and all natural, and you can make them in just minutes. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. Today I'm showing you how to make our Holiday Spice Lip Balms. It's moisturizing, it smells like sweet orange with a hint of spice, and feels like a hug for your lips. The key ingredients for this recipe come from the Simply Earth recipe box and from your free big bonus box. If you're not a subscriber yet, you can also grab them individually on our website. We've even got a recipe page that links everything in one place. Let's make it. First, you want to melt together the half a teaspoon of beeswax with 1 1/4 teaspoons of solid coconut oil and a half teaspoon of almond oil in a double boiler or in the microwave. This combo protects and softens your lips. Let's go melt this. Now that is melted, we are going to add 2 drops of sweet orange essential oil, 1 drop of autumn air essential oil. They bring the cozy citrus spice aroma of the holidays. One thing you want to remember is to twist this end cap so it's all the way at the bottom before you start filling your tubes. Now let's pour. And just like that, you've got your own Holiday Spice Lip Balm ready to use or gift. Here's a quick tip. If making this for a child under 10, skip the autumn air blend in this recipe. This was really easy, right? And this is just one of the 6 recipes you'll get each month with the Simply Earth recipe box. Each box comes with pure essential oils, all natural ingredients, so you can easily swap out store-bought products for ones you feel good about. And when you subscribe, you'll also get this free big bonus box with must-have supplies to kickstart your DIY journey. Let's test this out and see what Gail has to say about this lip balm. Let's go get Gail. This is Gail from HR. We all love her, especially on paydays. This is the Holiday Spice Lip Balm that I just made, so I want to see what you think of it.
Oh, that feels really nice. It's not sticky, it's not slimy, it's perfect. That's great.
What essential oils do you think I used in this?
Orange for sure. Not overpowering, and it doesn't actually have like an orange taste. It's not like lip smackers. It feels really waxy, and then your lips end up getting more chapped.
Yeah.
This is really nice, and yeah, I like it a lot, truly.
It's a keeper. So kind of going along with what Gail said, honestly, it feels like something that you'd buy at a boutique, but I made this in minutes. Do you want to try it too? Make this Holiday Spice Lip Balm and share it with #IMadeThis and tag From Simply Earth. You could win a $100 gift card and get featured. And if you want more fun, festive, toxin-free DIYs, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. See you in the next video.